In a dimly lit room, a hacker's fingers fly across the keyboard, attempting to breach sensitive data. Suddenly, the screen goes blank. Your VPN has saved the day. A virtual private network, or VPN, is a critical tool for safeguarding your online privacy and security. It encrypts your internet connection, making it nearly impossible for hackers to intercept your data. But how do you set one up? First, select a reputable VPN provider. Look for features like strong encryption protocols, a no-log policy, and positive user reviews. Once chosen, download and install the VPN software on your laptop. Next, create an account and log in. You'll see a list of servers. Choose one based on your needs. Preferably, pick the nearest server for optimal performance. Go to the settings and enable Auto Connect on startup and select the strongest encryption protocol available, like OpenVPN or IKEv2. Don't forget to turn on the kill switch feature, which automatically disconnects you from the internet if the VPN connection drops, ensuring your data is never exposed. Now your data is securely transmitted through an encrypted tunnel, free from prying eyes. Feel the peace of mind knowing your online activities are protected. Setting up a VPN is easier than you think, and it's a crucial step in securing your digital life.